Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing very well today. So today we're going to do a quick review of the best printer for online and retail arbitrage. Now I've chosen this printer here, it's called a Samsung Printer Express M2026W. Now some key benefits to this: it's got Wi-Fi and it just does the A4 printing, which is what I prefer to do. I don't really use the Wi-Fi much, but I just plug it up to my laptop and I'm good to go. Now, one thing I'm going to mention about this, I've done my research and this is going to be the best value printer you can buy for online and retail arbitrage, and I'll tell you why. So there's lots of debates whether to get an inkjet printer, a laser printer. There's loads of different types of print you can get. The reason I went with a laser printer is because it doesn't go for any smudging. If you go for an inkjet, you run the risk of, if it's raining outside, if you get a bit of water on it at all, it's going to smudge, so the barcodes on your products might not scan. Just don't take the risk, spend the money, get a laser printer, and you're sorted. It'll last, and I think I got a warranty with this as well. I got it straight from Amazon Prime. I think it cost me, it was about £45, I think, £45 to £50, but this is going to last me a very long time, and that's the plan. So setup was very easy. It comes with all the cables you need. It comes with the ink already loaded, or the cartridge, it's already loaded, so you don't need to do anything. You simply connect the cables up to your laptop and the socket at the wall. There's a quick installation, and that's it. I think it took me from start to finish 5 to 10 minutes max, and that was me. And then I could start printing my labels for my individual items that I'm selling on Amazon. And just to quickly show you the labels that I get to go along with this printer, it's just here, multi-purpose labels, hanging pack A4. Now when you go to fulfilled by Amazon and you're like setting up your first shipment, what's going to say is, when you get to the part where you need to print labels for your items, Amazon offers a service for this. They charge, I think it's 15 to 20 pence per item, but long term, if you get the printer yourself, buy the labels, it's like super cheap. It's going to save you a lot of money if you're planning to do this long term. If you're just planning to do it short term for a few months, you're probably best just paying the 15 pence or so per item and letting Amazon do it. Okay, so yeah, you have to make sure that the easiest one is, it says here, 63.5 by 29.6, that and 27 labels per sheet. That's the most. That's the standard when you go into print your labels. That's just what it comes up as. So I thought best get that. Keep it simple. So that'll print all your labels for you. And then the parcel labels, I like to use this. Yep, this is them here. It comes in, so it's an A4 sheet again, and it comes with two labels which you need for two sides of your parcel. And that's about it. If you've got any questions on this, please leave a comment down below, and I'll include the links to the best price on Amazon for you to check them out if you're interested in. All links will be in the description box below, and hope you have a good day. Thank you.